Hello everyone, welcome to Rob's Repairs. Today I got a good one for you. You guessed it. I'm going to show you how to take this door panel off. 2024 GMC pickup. Now I just want you to know that the back door is going to be the same. Same concept. So technically what you're going to need here, I believe is a 7 mil. You got 1 and 2 screws, 7 mils. I'm gonna double check that. Yep, 7 mil, 2 there. And on this door you only got 1. On the rear door you only got 1. On the front door here you need to take there's like a little filler panel in here. Guys got some screws in here. You take a little pick tool right here and pluck that out. We'll do that now. I like to use a little something like this. Just reach in there. It's real simple. Let's get in there without scratching anything if you can help it. And then just, that's a one-hander. Pluck it out of there. And now you got 2 7s there, but I recommend using a magnetic socket if you can. Otherwise I like to grab these. Once I get them loose, they're hard to reach with your hand, so I use a Phillips screwdriver with a magnetic end, and I pluck them out and I put them in. Same way. Don't have to do anything here. It's all good. Nothing there. Everything's good. So let's get started. I'll show you how easy this is. Tools you're going to need are a couple crates or something to set the door panel on when you get it off, because you got to disconnect the wiring. You're going to need a little something in case of clip. You need to pry a clip. You're going to need this little screwdriver for the electrical dealy bob. Then here's my magnetic screwdriver that I grab the nuts with, and here's another pick in case you need it. But I always have a couple extra tools around in case I need them, especially when I'm working on door panels. So let's get started on this and let it rip. It shouldn't take very long. I like to use my ratchet. I'll take you along up here. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Make sure you're going in the off direction. See, I used to have a magnetic socket, but it took a crap. So this is one hand or two, anybody can do it, so I just do that. It's just a lot easier. Don't lose them. So yeah, I might as well just leave that there because I'm not gonna need it down here. Yeah. I got my bud man out here helping me today. Yeah, he's doing good. He's getting old, but I still like to have him come out to the garage and work with his pops. Yep. So okay, so we're ready to take door panel off now. We're gonna want to pull it down here somewhere, and I like to start here, and I'll kind of give you a bird's eye view. So what I do is I just kind of, I don't know if you guys can see that or what. I like to put my knee on there and just give it a good pull. You're gonna have to pull it. Just go ahead and do this side. Usually the bottom comes, which it did, and then you're gonna want to do the same thing here. You're gonna have to pull it. If you don't want to pull it, you ain't getting it off. Just like that. This clip usually comes out of the panel. I don't know if for some reason this clip always comes out of the door panel. It stays in the shell. So now we're ready to take the door off. So what you want to do is you want to pull it away a little bit and lift up. But before you do that, get something to support the door panel. I like to use milk crates, it works really good. This is where it gets a little crazy because you got the electrical. So kind of get your stuff ready. You're going to need your small screwdriver for sure. And you might need this to pluck out the electrical stuff, but it's just nice to have at the ready. So if you got running boards, I like to set my tools right on the running boards, get ready to rock and roll. So here we go. I'm going to put you guys right here because the electrical is going to be here. So basically, I'm pulling the door panel. And I'm just kind of wiggling it a little bit, lifting it up. It's real simple. Now the door panel's secure. Just sitting there, you don't have to freaking fight it. So if you didn't have the milk crates, you'd be fighting it. Okay, first thing I like to do is I like to disconnect the handle mechanism, and it's real simple. All you gotta do is pull this, push this down, this little guy right here, it's got a little keeper. Push it down, pull out, take the wiring out, and then lift up. It's just got a ball, so we'll put it back in too. I'm not going to take door panel back off or put it back on again because I need to have it off for a job I'm working on, so I'm going to kind of reverse this for you. So you're going to put the ball in. You see how tight the cable is there? Don't worry about it because you're going to pull. Put the ball in, pull, look at that, hello. Stick it in that little slot right there. Line it up. Clip it in. It just slides in, so we'll take it back out again. Okay, now that we got this out of the way, now we gotta deal with this little guy. Gotta get this red button out, see that? Just pull it out of there. And then usually this will come out, but it fights you. I don't know why. There's a guy right here. I can't even believe it worked. I usually have to fight it. So you pluck the red guy out of there, and right here, pain in the butt usually, you push it, you pull it your way with your finger, which is tough. Pull it, you hear it? And then this little guy was holding in there. That's cool. Now we got a little more room. So then this just opens up like that, and you gotta fight. You literally gotta fight to get the electrical out. I don't know why. It's always a battle, but that's why you want to have the milk crates and holding it up and all that. So now we got. Now it's a battle. So once you get it this far, this part here comes out, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to hold the camera. So actually, let's see if I can do that. See if we can get this. Let's see if I can sneak in here and get this out. Now usually this here is held on kind of like this, so just take the thing out of there. It's a big pain in the ass. And just pluck it out. Just held in right there. Just get it the hell out of there because it's, I don't know why you gotta battle it, but if you don't take this out, you're gonna battle it. So you open this up and it should just come out, but it don't. I don't know why. You gotta force it out of there. You can't get it out down here until you take it out here. I don't know why, because you gotta pull it. It's almost like it locks in. Hear that? Listen. So when it's clipped in here, it's almost impossible to pull it out because of the wiring is in the way. So get it out of there and give it a pull. Done deal. Now I'll put it back together the same way. Simple. Like I say, just reverse the process and you'll have no problem. You get it this far, you get it back together. It's simple. When you do get it back together, we're gonna set it back on for you because I want to show you something. We're gonna throw the electrical back in. I'm just gonna let it sit in here now. So you get that in, snap it in, then that locks. You put your little guy there. Done deal. I'm not gonna put this in. I'm not gonna put this in. But this, I want to show you something when you put the door panel back on. This little guy is gonna give you some hassle. You see how it sits in there? It just sits in there automatically. When this goes into here and the door panel goes on, this will go right in here. Don't even worry about this little guy. It's just holding on there for looks. So we're gonna put you back on the stand. I'm gonna lift the stand up because I want to show you. You'll battle this. It's always hard the first time to get it back in, but I'm going to show you the easy method. So what I do, okay, this is all in, everything's in, because remember, I got to get this door panel, I got to keep it off. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the door panel close. We're going to grab this little guy, we're going to get it in the hole. It's simple. Okay, don't worry about it sitting in there because it'll automatically go. Now we're gonna put the door panel where it needs to be on both sides. We're gonna get it to the window and bring it down. Make sure your clips are going in the holes before you do any pounding. All the way around. And it'll basically just go back in all by itself. Put your screws in, get your little plastic window in, and you're done. So anyway, appreciate you guys watching, liking, subscribing to the channel. It's gonna help me grow. That's how you put and take off door panel 2024 GMC pickup. I'm sure the Suburbans and all the other models are gonna be similar and pretty close to the same. This one here is going to be identical. Like I said, you got your window, 2 screws, and you only got one down here. Same thing. The electrical's here. It's not the same as that, but it's just a little connector. You pull the red thing out, push the button in, and just pull. This is simple. This is super easy. So anyway, appreciate you guys watching. Hope you guys are having a good day, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you.